Hey, Allie, guess what we got? We got our Jeffree Star Mystery Box. I got the deluxe. I feel like this one was like $60. I feel like that looks small for $60, but maybe it's packed with stuff. First item, I don't know what this is. It's got plastic on it. Is it like for loose eyeshadows? What is this? I need to investigate. Love his lip scrubs. We got a rainbow sherbet one. So cute. Oh, it's green. Oh, it smells good. What are these? Raspberry snack and powder. Oh, these are singles. So that is for singles. Pay attention. We got the gloss. I do love his gloss, although I don't wear a lot of gloss, but I do love his gloss. Does that make any sense? Now, I think I have one that looks similar to this, and I was like, that's not going to be cute. But it ended up being really cute. So don't be deterred by the brown color. Okay, well, this was open. Cowboy Kiss. We got a lip. Oh, look how cute it is. Oh, it's tinted lip balm. Ooh, interesting. I like a lip balm. My lips are always chapped. Let's open the palette, shall we? And I didn't get any palettes that I already had. Look how cute. Oh my God. I love the packaging. Allie, what do you think? Look at how cute that is. Allie, that is so cute. I accidentally saw the colors the other day, but I went past it really fast. Oh, look at it. Look how beautiful. Blues, some neutrals. This is really cute. Well done, Jeffree. Well done. I really got new stuff that I have never had before, and I have a lot of Jeffree stuff, so I say Amberrific. And Jeffree Star approved. Ding!